Electric drift racing. Customer preference for EVs is rising sharply,
exceeding our Q3 predictions.
and the emission regulations are tightening.
The V-type gives us better balance, but look at the thermal management issues here.
The inline setup shows better fuel efficiency in the simulation.
See the readout here? We've optimized the airflow. Yes.
Now let's move to the main block and check the valve timing.
The pressure on cylinder 3 is exceeding the limit at this RPM.
We need to optimize the fuel injection timing to reduce that heat signature.
Bring the composites to the inspection area.
Copy that. Moving the load now.
High-quality materials like polished aluminum alloys, steel rods, and carbon composites ensure the strength, weight,
Set the torque wrench to 60 foot-pounds.
Confirmed. The clearance on cylinder 3 is tight.
Let me check that with the micrometer.
Watch the alignment as it slides in. Confirmed. The tolerances look good on the schematic.
Check the NOx levels at this RPM. It's spiking higher than the last run.
Noted. Adjusting fuel pressure and injector timing now.
Look at the temperature spike right here.
It correlates exactly with the fuel injection timing.
We need to adjust the mixture ratio, otherwise we lose the power gains.
Check the torque on the cylinder head bolts.
Looks good from here. Calibration is spot on.
Torque checks complete on cylinder 7. Confirmed on the manifest. Looks good. Proceeding to next station.
We need to bring down the particulate count. See the spike here?
Richening the mixture slightly. There we go, right into the green.
There's the spike in the torque curve.
I'm making the adjustment now. It's stabilizing.
Keys now, bring it down slow. Clear on the left.
All right, secure that one and prep the next pallet. We're seeing peak horsepower now.
And the emissions data remains stable. It's performing as expected.
all diagnostics clear on the tablet.
Engine running smooth. Another quality build.
Okay, bring it back just a little more. Right there. Chalk the wheels and secure the straps.
Experience the perfect integration of power and smoothness. Toyota, committed to quality.
This new hybrid Synergy drive optimizes both power and efficiency. The thermal management system ensures peak performance.
The temperature spike is acceptable within the parameters.
Yes, and the power output remains stable on the incline.
We need to stabilize the emissions data here.
Initiating the torque adjustment sequence now.
Power output is leveling off perfectly.
How are the engine diagnostics looking, Caleb?
We've optimized the fuel trim. It's well within the parameters now.
As you can see, this new Toyota offers class-leading fuel efficiency and dynamic performance, all thanks to the redesigned engine.
That line hybrid. This demonstrates global reach and logistical efficiency. The vehicles are on their way to various markets around the world.
Experience the harmony of advanced engineering. The Toyota effortlessly navigates the curves, ensuring a smooth and comfortable journey every time.
Thank you all so much. I can't wait to drive this beauty.
The engine performance just spiked at the apex. Fuel efficiency remains stable through the curve.
Built for the road ahead.
The electric motor output is exceeding projections here.
Yes, but the fuel system still needs calibration.
The latest data suggests we can optimize the regeneration further.